Good evening. I'm weather forecaster Elia Stowers, and we are going to take a look at that sky cam on top of the Cooper Science Complex here at Ball State. You can see that sun is just starting to set. Lots of clouds in the sky. However, we are sitting at a pretty warm temperature. 72 right here in Muncie, and all of our surrounding areas are in those low 70s right now. If we take a look more statewide, you can see that reflected as well. Indianapolis 74, Bloomington 72, and 73 in Terre Haute. Now, these temperatures are very similar to what we were experiencing yesterday. However, we are just 5-degree decrease here in Muncie, but you can see our surrounding counties and areas are in that slight decrease, 2 degrees below that temperature in Indianapolis, as well as many other areas in Indiana. These temperatures are going to decrease as we move throughout the evening, getting into those fall-like lows with a low of 53 overall for the night. It's going to be pretty cloudy, but those clouds will dissipate and start to clear out as we get into the early hours of tomorrow morning. Winds coming from the northwest at 5 miles per hour. Now tomorrow we are starting the day out with some fog, so make sure you prepare for that if you are commuting in the morning. Very foggy in the early morning hours. 51 degrees, so pretty chilly as well, but we do have that high dew point that is causing that fog. The fog should clear out by mid-morning, warming up to 68 degrees by noon and 78 by 5 p.m. The winds aren't very notable tomorrow, pretty calm, and then coming from the north at 5 miles per hour. We do have those clouds clearing out as we move throughout the afternoon with plentiful sunshine, which we are going to be needing due to all of this rain that we have accumulated this week. It's been very dark and cloudy and gloomy the past couple days here on campus. We have accumulated just over an inch of rain for the month of September here in Muncie. However, we are still well below that average rain accumulation for the month of September. Normally we are at 2.51 inches, so we are well below that, which means we are still in that drought. Here in Muncie, we are still at that severe level drought, and you can see the moderate and the dry as well for our surrounding areas. So I don't see much rain coming in the next 7 days. However, we do need some relief from that drought, and the rain we accumulated this week definitely helps us out. Right now we just have those spotty showers popping up, but it should clear out as we move throughout this evening. Now these temperatures, like I said, tomorrow a high of 78 degrees. That is very summer-like for us here at the end of September. But until October 4th, we are at that probability of experiencing temperatures above average. And you can actually see that reflected in my 7-day forecast. We have temperatures getting up to 84 degrees by Monday, slightly dropping down back into the upper 70s and low 80s, but lows getting down into those fall-like temperatures. For more information, visit NLI Weather on our socials.